into photography, the autumn and winter seasons are a great time to get outside and take some pictures. Nowadays, most phone cameras have a wide variety of modes and features to really get creative with your content. Today I'm going to try out slow-mo mode and capture a slow motion video here amongst the autumn leaves using my iPhone 11 Pro. Most phones have this mode, so just scroll through to find it and hit the red record button to start capturing video. Once recorded, you can edit the video to adjust when the slow motion portion starts and how long it is. You can also trim the footage at the start and the end. Don't forget to save when you're done. Here's the finished product. Check out your camera's slow-mo settings and shoot your own autumn-winter scene. And stay tuned for more photography tips coming soon in this series.